to a new video. Welcome lighting. I hope this looks 10 times better. I aim to please my 90 subscribers and hope that obviously they're happy with this natural evolvement of my channel. However, what is not evolving is the task at hand today, and we're reviewing a pair of Yeezy shoes which released just this Saturday, so the 26th. Now this was the easiest pair I've ever tried to get, the easiest pair of hype shoes I've ever bought. I went on the website and it just went straight in. There was no waiting, there was nothing. Normally when I buy a pair of Yeezys, it says you're in the queue, goes to the checkout and it fails, and I have to go back again and it fails again. But this pair was literally first time, and I think it's because a lot of people were just tired of this. However, it's also my very first time I'm ever seeing this model in person. Never seen a pair of this model. We'll get into them right now. So, straight from Adidas. Oh, damn it. I didn't get it all off there. I just got half of it. Well, there's a little bit left. All right. I love a pull tab as well on a box. And you'll see right there, this is the model. Oh. It's a very good fit. Okay. Kanye. He also just released a new album, but more on that later. For now, let's get into it. So this is the Yeezy Boost 700 teal blue. I've never seen in my hand a real pair of 700s. So, damn, here they are. Damn, they're so nice. Okay, I'm gonna put this box down. Where am I gonna do this? All right, give me 1 second. Oh, and you get the extra pair of laces in here, the orange ones, which look sick on this pair. It's kind of like the Wave Runners with that green lacing, that these have like that really contrasty lace option. It's up close. There you are. First impressions, they are nice. I would happily rock this pair, happily. And I think with Yeezys, you can't really go wrong. Like, they are just, you know, I know there's a lot of colors coming out, and I know that maybe they're overdone a little bit, but I just think like they're all so nice, all of the colors. There's not a single color that I would say looks trash. But already on the shoe, you get these lace tips here, so it's kind of like, I mean, almost like a green, very, very dull green, like almost like a brownish green. Mostly it's like more of a gray. Like, this has got to be the most blue on here. That part and the toe box has got to be the most blue that I can see. The rest is like mostly gray. Up in here you've got this suede material, and this again is like the bluest that they've got. Over here, more of a gray material, the same suede leather that's over there. Mesh in between. And obviously this part is more of a leather. Some 3M reflective parts there, as well as on the other side. Just see, man. But the bottom is like a really pale I wouldn't even call that gum, but yeah, it's like maybe a tan with the orange laces. Look how that's gonna look. Let's say you get these involved. Now we've got a party up in here. We've got the orange and all the other colors. And now that is just gonna make everything pop. Like if I had a choice of any 700, I would probably take the Wave Runners or the Inertias I really like. If you've got money to literally buy or pay resale for any of the 700s, you're probably not going to choose this one. But if you actually manage to get this pair, which from my experience was relatively easy, you're not going to be disappointed with this pair. You're going to be pretty happy with it. And I think especially some of the most recent 700s have been pretty easy on resale. Like it's not that bad. So I think if you could pick up any of the, you know, the more recent ones, but like for me, I'm not going to pay resale for any pair of Yeezys. So, you know, the fact that I got this for retail, I would be pretty happy with that. No question about it. Maybe everybody's getting ready for the more recent Yeezy releases that are coming up. So there's like the 3 Yay Chill, Yay Real, and one other one. But it's like the actual tonal ones. You've got the black ones with like the red, the blue, and like some green on it. Those are pretty hyped. You've obviously got the Yeezy Boost 380s Aliens. Those are coming out relatively soon, the next 2-3 weeks. So maybe people are just saving their money and waiting, you know, so they're skipping out on this pair and waiting for those ones, which are obviously a complete change in either model or colors. But you know what? I'm sure a lot of people that really wanted them were able to get these, because I don't think resellers were very interested in.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
They're not reselling for anything significant. Yeezy Boost V1 700 in the teal blue colorway. This is a size, what did I get? Size 9. And yeah, they were what, 250 pounds US. What is that, like 300 I think. Oh, thank you again, 90 subscribers. We're going strong. Thank you so much for watching. And if you feel like any of you, I don't even know if any of you 90 people actually watch my videos or not, but if any of you are, then let me know in the comment section why you think these just didn't, like, why didn't people want these? Specifically, why didn't people want these pair? Was it the color? Did people just not like this color? Is it because there's been too many releasing? Or are you saving your money for the new models that I mentioned, the Aliens, the Yay Chills, and the Yay Reals? Are you saving your money for those? Let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one. Join the family. We're 90 strong, and we're doing really well. So, much love, everyone. I like the one, yeah, use this gospel. It's like if you put your car keys in the car and you open the door and it makes that sound like ding, 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 ding. That's why I like that song, because I think it's pretty cool.